sun is still there. All around its building. Guys, I'm walking here in Almadas 321 street. The view of evening, and hope you are liking this view. The boys are is crazy. He broke the bottle, you know, the vitamin bottle. Arabic voice is dangerous. And look this All Safia Park, Sharjah, in Almadas 3. The birds are searching food. One of the most beautiful place of Sharjah. I'm walking here and show you the beautiful place, buildings, environment outside, and walking alone to going shopping something outside. The sun is still there. All around its building, you know, the tallest building are here. See, the big building is built, construction there. How many cars are parking here? All this for apartment, and visiting people are parking here in this area. Actually, in the free day, holiday, not available the free parking. This all paid parking. You have to pay all this parking by hours. Look the huge building. People are walking, enjoying with family the holiday of Eid. This is the life of UAE Sharjah downtown, guys. Hope you are enjoying watching this video of my YouTube channel.